You want to learn how to change handle in BlueSky Social. In this video, I'm going to help solve that problem. So on your BlueSky Social website or app, you'll go to settings on the left hand side and it's going to take you over to the settings page. This is a new update they just came out with, so the settings page looks a lot different than before. Now on here, we will go to account. Under account, we're going to look for handle. Click on this and it's going to give you a pop-up. Now you can create a new handle, enter the new handle name like this and save it. Now, if you want to use your own domain as a handle, it is going to make it so that your handle looks like @yourdomain.com. For that, you need to enter it here. In my case, I'm going to enter my name.com because I have a domain under my name. Now, under the DNS panel, you will see host, type, and value. Now, mostly people are using Namecheap as their domain provider. So all you have to do is go into the domain list, check out the domain which you want to change, manage it. This is a similar process in all domain providers. Go to advanced settings, and here you will see your DNS settings. But because I have my name servers pointing to Cloudflare, I can go into Cloudflare, and inside Cloudflare, I can add a new record from my DNS. So into overview, click on DNS records. And this is going to be similar to all the other domain providers. Inside DNS management, you can add a new record. And then in here, click this drop down, the type drop down, and select TXT record. We need the host first, so copy it. Go over here in the name, add it. TXT type, we already have selected it. So value, we're going to copy this and paste it in the content section. We're going to keep the TTL, which is time to live, as auto, and save. Now I already have my DNS record added here. Now if you go back to BlueSky and verify DNS records, it's going to say domain verified, and you can update it to your domain. Now it said that the handle has been changed. Now if I go back, I will see this, and if I refresh, it's going to change it to @mydomain.com. And this is it. This is how to change the handle on BlueSky Social. Did this video help solve your problem? Let me know with a like and comment.